Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. As in my earlier video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you, in this video I was showing you that TIA has recently broken out another downtrend line resistance while moving inside a channel. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this downtrend line resistance, it has pumped very well. And now we are reached at this resistance of $7.45 that was previously working as a support here, and now it is flipped into a resistance. And you can see that again, it is trying to break it out. In the previous candlestick, it was not able to break it out, and now today it is again moving at this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared, by the way, in the month of May 2024 with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern, not a shark pattern. This was a butterfly move that TIA formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from this buying zone. First, it again dropped down inside this buying zone, then reached the sell target zone here, then dropped more than this potential reversal zone. Then we had a bigger pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that TIA is overall moving inside this channel. By the way, previously it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. And I was telling you that this is a bearish bias pattern. And after getting squeezed, there are chances that the price line may break down the support. And after the breakdown, I was telling you that target can be here at the bottom of this wedge that was approximately at $5. And you can see that after the breakdown, we had a big drop, and the price line dropped slightly more than this expected target to the downside. In fact, it dropped up to $4.14. By the way, from $5 to approximately up to $4.35. At this level, we have a lot of support area. Like previously, it was working as support and resistance here, support here, support here. And again, it worked as a very nice support. Despite we had this long spike beyond the support of this channel, and you can see that we had this spike even beyond this support area as well, but the price had recovered back very soon, and we broke out this down trend line resistance. And I've been telling you in my previous videos that as soon as it breaks out this down trend line resistance, then we may see another attempt for the breakout of the channel. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump. Now we need to break out this resistance of $7.45. That was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and now it is working as a resistance. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of $7.45, then soon it can try to break out the resistance of the channel as well. And once it will be able to break out this channel, then technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.